How to translate text on a chat message on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the text message app, SMS app on your device and tap the contact you want to chat. Now open the any chat or contact you want to chat message. Now enter the message. Here we send hello. How are you? Now if you want to change the language, chat language, tap on the assistant icon on the keyboard. Here you can find chat translation, writing style, spelling, grammar. Tap on a chat translation. Now here you can select by default chat auto. Here you can select the language. Here we select Russian. Now it will automatically change your language to select a language. Quite useful feature. Select Vietnam's. Now you can see change the language. So just select the language you want to set on your device to automatically chat translate on text message on your S24 Ultra. That's it. I like it. Share it.